Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an opening from Wipro and Amdocs to discuss in this video. So everybody please do watch this video till the very end because both of the openings are very good for your career. Okay, so let's start with the discussion. So here we have the Wipro one first. So it's a work integrated learning program 2022. So most of you would have applied to that. Most of you would have not applied to that. So if you haven't applied it till now, then please do apply it at the earliest. It's a very good opportunity for all the students who would like to start your career in a corporate sector, as well as who would like to extend the learning process. You can see here, like Wipro integrated learning program offers 2022 offers BCA and BSc students a chance to do it all, that is start working at Wipro while pursuing an MTech degree from a premier university. Okay, that's it. The company will be sponsoring you, so your studies will be getting better and you will be getting to work as well. Okay, so now coming to the eligibility criteria: 10 standard you must pass, then 12 standard pass, and graduation 60% above, 6.0 CGPA above, with respect to the university guidelines. Okay, and year of passing is 2022 itself. Now the qualification criteria is BCA, then BSc. Eligible streams will be computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics, and physics. Now, evaluation process will be the registration. After that, you will get an online assessment, then BD, business discussion, then letter of invite. Okay, that is LOI. Then offer letter. So that's it. Next, the other criteria will be mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one of the subject in graduation. Business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. Okay, science related maths is what they require. And maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation only. Like after graduation must be like 3-year graduation continuously you must have taken. But after 10th and before graduation, if you wished, if you had any black gap, then it's fine. Now that also maximum 3 years. No gaps are allowed in graduation should be completed within 3 years itself. Then education must be full-time. 10th, 12th graduation must be full-time, recognized by the central or state government. Then maximum 1 active backlogs till the interview stage. Then offers will be mentored out all the bachelor students. That is, if you have 1 backlogs right now, then it's fine. Okay, at the time of joining, if you could clear everything, it's fine. Okay, should be an Indian citizen or hold a PIO or OCA card. Then Bhutan, Nepal nations need to submit the citizenship certificate. Candidates who have participated in the selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible. Okay, so this is a important clause here. Now coming to the stipend details. So this is what you get in hand. Okay, so first year 15,000 plus 488 ESI plus joining points of 75K. Then second year 17,000 plus 533. This is in per month. Okay, now third year 19,000 plus 618. Fourth year it will be 23,000. So post the completion of the program, designation will be senior project engineer, and compensation will range from 6 lakhs per annum onwards depending on the performance. Okay, so this is the details, and other benefits will be MTech degree fully sponsored by Wipro, then group life insurance of 14 lakhs per annum, group personal accident coverage of 12 lakhs per annum. Okay, now service agreement is there for 60 months on joining. So if you're ready with all these things, then definitely this opportunity is a great opportunity for you. You can apply it at the earliest. Okay, now coming to the selection process. Yes, first we'll be having an online assessment after you register. Once you register, you will get after the registration deadline, that is on 24th October. So after that, you will get the online assessment links to apply for that. Then you can proceed with that. So online assessment will be 18 minutes. Aptitude test, verbal, analytical, quantitative. Each segment has 20 minutes, 20 questions. The written communication test, 20 minutes. Upon selection in the online assessment, candidates will be required to go through the business discussion round. Okay, so these are the selection process. So candidates who have participated in any of the selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months is not eligible. Okay, It will be solely be and discretion of Wipro to permit or restrict participation of any candidate, whether eligible or not. Okay. So in case if you didn't receive any invitation mail or something, it's completely depends upon the company policy. Okay. Now this is an important clause. Last day to apply is on 24th of October. It's just few days to go. So whoever watching this video, please to apply it at the earliest. Now online assessment to be communicated later. Online assessment will be informed via registered mail. There are any queries if you have, then you can reach out to the campus manager. Okay, this is it. So within 3 days, they are telling they'll be responding it to the same. So this is about the selection process. So I think you understood about selection process, qualification criteria, the last day to apply, and regarding the opening available. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. So the application process is through Superset. So you can make use of this to apply. So once we have to get into this mail and try applying. So this is the registration step. If you don't have a profile under Superset, then you can register it from first. So this will be the registration step. And if you have already registered to Superset, you can use the same profile to submit under the same. Okay. So most of the companies like Cognizant, Wipro, as of now, they are Accenture also sometimes are conducting through Superset. Okay, Capgemini. So if you have that career with you, like profile with you, then you can use the same. So basic details will be all these details: confirm email ID, mobile number, then your personal details, everything. Next will be having contact details, that is your address kind of details. Next, the current or most recent education, your graduation details, then your previous education, 10th, 12th, every details. So which is the board, what is the marks that you scored, and every details will be included in that section. Next, internships and work experience. Like if you have any work experience, you can provide, or else you can just leave it. Then internships, if you have any internship done, then that also you can provide. Then will be the profile photo and document. So we can upload a like photo which is elegant enough, background, plain background kind of photo, professional photo you can go for, and documents in the sense resume and CV. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is the registration step. After that, you can apply to this particular opening available. Okay, so this is how you have to register for this particular. So if you haven't registered to it yet, please to register it the earliest. So that's the reminder for those who haven't registered. Okay, so that's it. Now we have an opening from Amdocs to discuss. So before moving on to that, this is our YouTube channel. So you might have seen like the instant hiring things or direct hiring from various companies, as well as the interview questions, the technical route, if it is online assessment, all the questions, everything we are discussing it here. So it will be helpful if you are a person who is actively seeking into job. So please do subscribe our channel, and as well as activate the bell icon as well to get all the details or all the updations at the earliest. Okay, so that's it. Now let's see about the Amdocs. So they are hiring for TBO analyst 2021, non-engineering off-campus hiring, and the location is Pune. So what is the eligibility criteria? 2021 batch, BSc, BCA, BCS, MSc, CIS, and IT streams only. So this is applicable for them. 55% throughout academics with no gaps or breaks or year down. Excellent communication skill, and the location is Pune. Okay. So what will your job look like? So this will be the roles and responsibilities. You can just go through that and check whether this job is applicable for you. Are you ready to do that job as well? Now, who you are, that is the thing that like what you like they're looking forward in you. Okay, if you're a smartphone user, then you're a part of an even more connected digital world. At Amdocs, we are leading the digital revolution in the future, from virtualized to telecommunication, big data, internet of things, IoT, mobile finance services, building and operation systems. Then we are continually evolving out the business to help you be more connected. So it's all about details regarding this digital services. So if you wish to apply for this particular opening, you can apply it. You can click on this apply now button over here, or you can just make use of this apply now button on the above. Okay, so once you apply, this is the form where you have to fill. Like if you have already registered user, that is if you have already a career section under Amdocs, you can use the same by signing in. Else you can upload your resume, your email, password, then your PAN card if exists. It's not mandatory, but still it will be good if you could give. Then total work experience in a year. This opening is for freshers, but this form is common to all of the jobs. So if you don't have an experience, you can put it at 0. Number of days required. If you are ready to join immediately, you can put 0. Then expected yearly compensation, that approximately to this opening it's 4 plus LPA. So regarding that, you can just put it, or else you can just stay not to disclose as well. Okay, the range you can just get it and you can put it. Now, electronic signature, everything they have asked, are you currently working with Amdocs, every details? So please to give that and accept the terms and condition, after that applied. Okay, so this is about the opening available at Amdocs. So I think the details is also very well known to you. So it is for 2021 batch alone. Okay, so this is the qualification criteria. So I hope all you got understand. I won't be getting any comments like, am I eligible? Am I eligible? So for both of the job opening that I have disclosed today, everything, qualification, the batch details, selection process, everything I've discussed. So if you wish to apply, make it at the earliest. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.